or you can buy a car that's really in good shape. Where do we drive? We drive in neighborhoods. I practice making right turns, left turns. I show you how to turn the steering wheel. Okay. If you have to go, just put your first, middle, and last name in. But I think you guys should listen to this for about 5 minutes, right? Um, so we go in neighborhoods. We practice right turns, left turns. If we're making a right turn, you have to be on the right, RIGHT, the right side of the road. A lot of beginners turn early and they end up on the wrong side of the road. So me as your instructor, now I've got to turn the wheels so you don't hit a car. And then some of you get very offended because you're about to crash. And you think because I have to help you, you get an attitude. And usually I don't drive people with attitudes. So if you're one of those guys or girls who don't want an adult to help you, usually I don't drive you. I keep it 100%. Because I'll just call the company and say, hey, I'm not driving this client. They're disrespectful. Oh, sure, no problem. We'll take care of it. Because there's a shortage of driver's ed instructors, and everyone in the world wants to drive. So I have to show you respect. You will show me respect, and together we respect each other. And it's part of being grown up. Driving a car doesn't make you an adult. If you're a child driving a car, you're going to be even more dangerous. If you're immature driving a car, you're going to be even more dangerous. If you're responsible driving a car, you're still going to be dangerous. Why? It takes 10 years to learn how to drive. I know how to drive. I know how to drive. Let's go to downtown Detroit. Let's go to downtown Houston, Texas. Let's go to downtown Los Angeles, California, at night in the rain. It's very overwhelming, particularly in rain and bad weather. It's more pressure on you. You really can't see as well. You might go too slow. You might go too fast. The driver's ed car is not exactly super comfortable. If you're short, I consider 5 feet to like 4'9". You're gonna have trouble reaching the pedals. If you're over 6'4", 6'5", 300 pounds, you're gonna be kind of sandwiched in the car. What kind of things do we do in our first job? Right turns, left turns, parking. We drive in neighborhoods, downtown areas. The first drive can be fun if you have a chilled instructor who's going to help you, talk to you, educate you.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.